Okay, so this laundry room, it used to just be a little tiny room off of the back door. Um, this is a door that started this whole crazy flip was installing an exterior door for the first time. That's a story for another day. So the laundry room, this room, I wanted to be able to get the laundry room to the main floor. This room had the prime location to be able to bring the utilities in from the basement and was in a good location. However, there's not enough depth going this way to be able to put a side by side here, and there was not enough here to go that way. So what I decided to do was to make room for just a stacking washer and dryer. So with that in mind, we put in all the utilities, had the plumbers do that. And then over here, again, trying to make as much use of the space as possible, I built this little table that it actually mounts to the wall in the back, and in the front, it's got these two little spindles. And actually, I think these are porch spindles that I actually purchased at a Habitat store for cheap. And so I made the little table frame. And then this are actually repurposed barnwood. And I love the edge here. How it's just like the natural edge of the wood. This I started with my laundry room at home, and I love this. So the little candy jars that house your fabric softener and your laundry detergent. Simple as that. It looks cute and very ease of access. Up above, I built this little cabinet. This was actually my second try at this cabinet. The first cabinet I built, it was like way heavy, and I didn't like how the finishes came out. So this is second try. Across the back, I use some tin that was actually off of one of my family's old cattle buildings that when my dad and brother tore it down, I stole a pile of tin. And my dad thought I was crazy because I was taking cattle, bad word, well, let's just say crap, tin, and I was going to repurpose it. He thought I was crazy, but I love the backdrop and how it offsets from the white. I chose to panel this room because I thought, well, I don't have the drywall skills, so I can handle the paneling. Let me just tell you that paneling to save money on versus having a professional do the drywall, probably not a money saver when it comes down to it. There's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears in this room here, but I do love the way it turned out. So I used just cheap, just regular wainscoting looking paneling, and then I use one bys to trim and then make the tops and the corners stand out. So yeah, quite a bit of detail work and a lot of caulking and nail filling. Also, I just love this little vintage apron I found. And I took two old insulators and made a cute little curtain, showing off one of the new windows that I installed myself. Boom. And I love this little hook. So it's a reproduction, but it allow you to hang multiple things that need to hang dry. Takes up little space, and also for your women's undergarments, good place to hang the old bras.